Alara, look ahead. We are crossing the street now. Stay close to me. Wow, Lily. Why are you holding a pink cloud? Is it a magic cloud? No, silly. This is not a cloud. It is called cotton candy. It is a sweet treat. Cotton candy? It looks so fluffy. Can I try some? Just a little bit? Okay. Here you go. Eat it quickly before it melts. It disappeared in my mouth. It is so delicious. I love cotton candy. Wow, you are so strong. Alara, he is not a monster. He is just a cute puppy. A puppy? Why is he biting that rope? Is he angry? No, silly. He is not angry at all. He is wagging his tail. This game is called Tug of War. Dogs love playing this. It looks fun. Hello, little puppy. Can you understand me? Welcome to my small house, girls. Small house? This is not small at all. It is a giant monster house. Don't worry, Alara. Sophia is just being humble. I know this place very well. We used to play here when we were little. Humble? But it looks like a luxury castle. It has so many big windows. Can we really go inside? Of course we can. Don't be shy, Alara. I have some fresh juice and a warm living room for us inside. Let's go! This orange juice is amazing. It is sweet. It makes my wings warm. I am happy you like it, Alara. Eat some cake too. It has fresh strawberries. Here, Alara, try a little bit. It is very soft. Wow, it tastes like a sweet dream. Lily, look at my belly. It is getting bigger. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my show. Now, please listen to a special song by the famous singer, Sophia Harper. The song is called Never Far Away. Yay! Go, Sophia! Show us your beautiful voice! I will hold your heart every single day. We are best friends, never far away. I forever there. Wow, that was amazing. Yeah, you're the best.
Clouds are blue, the sky is bright. You and me under the lights. Hand in hand we walk along, singing a happy spring song. You are my sunshine, my little friend. Our beautiful story will never end. No more cold days, no more fear. I am happy when you are here.
Your voice is so beautiful. You are a real superstar. Thank you, Sophia. Singing with you is so much fun. I am so happy today. Look at me, girls. I am shining. My heart is so warm right now. I love this song, and I love my best friends. Madam Jenny was right, Lily. Your joy and love can wash away the sadness. Alara is getting stronger. Yes! No more cold winter, no more sad days. We are a team now. We will protect you every day, Alara.